if we wish that the world should treat us positively, then first of all we ourselves should become positive.
बसारत से महरूमी को कामयाबियों की राह में रुकावट नहीं बनने दिया। ये बात एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर ऑफ इंग्लिश एमयू कॉलेज लाहौर सर अब्दुल रऊफ़ ने विजन विदाउट बैरियर के लिए एक खसूसी इंटरव्यू में कही। 30 साल से तालिब इल्मों को तालीम के साथ साथ हुनरमंद शहरी बनाने का अज़्म लिए इंग्लिश प्रोफेसर व ट्रांसलेटर सर अब्दुल रऊफ़ का मज़ीद कहना था।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। My name is Abdul Rauf. I am serving as Associate Professor of English at Government MAO College, Lahore. By the grace of Almighty, I have had a distinguished career throughout my life. I never studied at any special education institution. Besides studies, when I was as a student, I was very prominent as a debater, as a writer. Even now I contribute my writings, and I have translated several books also. I do not want to praise myself, but the only reason for telling these things is
Associate Professor of English MAO College लाहौर सर अब्दुल रऊफ़ साहब से विजन विदाउट बैरियर के प्लेटफॉर्म से जारी इस इंटरव्यू के बकिया हिस्से की तरफ जाने से पहले हम आपको ये भी बताते चलें कि MAO कॉलेज लाहौर में विजन विदाउट बैरियर के ज़ेरे एहतमाम मुनक़दा एक प्रोग्राम में तालिब इल्म अदीलुल हसन को विजन विदाउट बैरियर की तरफ से जदीद टेक्नोलॉजी का हामिल लैपटॉप अवार्ड किया गया। इस मौके पर प्रोफेसर अब्दुल रऊफ़, प्रोफेसर कामरान भट्ट साहब और प्रिंसिपल साहिबा डॉक्टर आलिया रहमान ने खसूसी शिरकत की।
Because if you laugh, the world laughs with you. But if you weep, nobody weeps with you. So I have spent the whole of my life not among disabled people, but I have always lived as a student and as a teacher among normal people. And I have realized that the difference of normal and abnormal is not so correct, because all of us have got some abnormalities. They say that this is normal and this is abnormal, but abnormality is there everywhere. It is we who have made such distinctions. So my message to the so-called visual or whatever disability they have is that they should not expect any sympathy from the world. Never demand any facility from others. Never expect anything from others. Just explore your own inner faculties. If the Almighty has not given you one thing, He must have compensated you by giving several other things.
Right.
So first of all, pass through the process of self-exploration.
Right.
Look into yourself and find in which fields you can excel, and then concentrate on them and try to surpass them. But never demand any sympathy, never demand any facility. That's what I like to say.
Thank you. तमाम देखने, सुनने और महसूस करने वालों की सेहत और सलामती की दुआ के साथ मैं हूं अशफाक रहमानी और आप देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल विजन विदाउट बैरियर।